What if you could create your own English song with AI and actually build a way to make money from it? You can create the lyrics, generate the music, add vocals, turn it into a music video, and publish it on YouTube or streaming platforms. But there's one important mistake that could stop you from monetizing the song, so let me show you the correct workflow. First, open Suno AI and create your account. Before generating anything, decide your concept. For example, an emotional English pop song about losing someone, finding yourself again, and starting a new chapter. Modern pop production, emotional verses, powerful chorus, cinematic ending. For better results, don't just type, "make me a pop song." Describe the genre, mood, vocals, instruments, tempo, and story. Now create your lyrics. If you want stronger ownership over the songwriting, write the lyrics yourself, or use AI to help brainstorm, and then substantially develop them yourself. For example, verse 1, tell the story. Pre-chorus, build the emotion. Chorus, give the listener the memorable hook. Verse 2, continue the story. Bridge, create a change in emotion. Final chorus, finish with the biggest moment. Then paste your original lyrics into Suno's custom creation workflow. Now choose your music style. For example, modern emotional pop, female vocals, atmospheric synths, soft piano, deep bass, powerful drums, radio-ready production, emotional vocal delivery. Generate a few versions instead of choosing the first result. Listen carefully to the vocals, pronunciation, melody, arrangement, and chorus. If the first version isn't good enough, change the prompt or lyrics and regenerate. Now here's the most important part. If you want to monetize your Suno song, don't rely on the free plan. Suno currently says songs created on its free plan are for non-commercial use only. Pro and Premier subscribers receive commercial use rights for new songs created while subscribed. And upgrading later does not give commercial rights retroactively to songs created on the free plan. Suno. So if your goal is monetization, create the final commercial version while you're subscribed to a qualifying paid plan. Once you have a commercially licensed song, you have several options. Upload the song to YouTube, create a proper music video or lyric video, and build an audience. You can also distribute the song to platforms such as Spotify and Apple Music through a music distributor. Suno specifically says commercially licensed songs can be distributed to streaming platforms. Suno help. And don't forget, you can create shorts using your own song to promote the full track. One more important thing, commercial use rights from Suno are not the same as guaranteed copyright protection. Suno itself says, fully AI-generated music may not qualify for copyright protection in the US. Human-created lyrics or other human creative contributions can affect the situation. Zach for it, Suno help. And on YouTube, AI content can still be monetized, but your channel needs to follow the platform's originality and monetization rules.